Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my HOBONICHI cousin. I'm actually filming this once again on the Monday. We've just come back from our vacation and it's literally 10 to 7 in the evening and I'm just decorating for the week. And what I'll be using to decorate are stickers from my September release. So these are the maple leaves and I love these because these are all hand painted by me. So these are all not watercolor but fountain pen ink, and I just love the effect of these. So that is the deco page, and this is on clear mat. And then you have the circles, the swatches, and then the quote and washi. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is actually put down some of this green grid washi. I feel like if I'm going to put any washi down, it needs to be neutral but still add a little bit of contrast to the rest of the spread, because I know me, I need just that little bit of contrast to make sure that everything actually looks okay. There we go. And then I'm going to put a little washi. I know generally the 4 places that I will put washi. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically up here at the top, so 2 there, and then 1 down here at the bottom, and then 1 there. And once I know the places where I put stickers down or where I put washi down, it makes decorating very, very easy, because then you generally know the layout. You don't need to think about it too much. So I'm going to place one of these like really big red stickers. I know it's very bold and red, but I like it. Then place this one on this side too, and then sprinkle a few, sprinkle a, oh gosh, literally I'm making it sound a lot fancier than it is, but I'm just putting stickers down, come on. And I feel as if I'm tempting fate, because it is not fall yet, and here I am putting fall stickers down. Where is my, oh there. I gotta work on those cut lines. I thought I had those sorted out. I will get that sorted out before those release. But it's amazing how the weather immediately turns once Labor Day weekend is here. And maybe that's just me, because we were in Hinton, which is just about half an hour outside of Jasper, and it was rainy yesterday, but then it became really, really nice. But it's still, you know, not the best weather that it could have been. So there we go. I really like that actually. And then I'm gonna put this down here. Although I could save this for my week's spread. Actually, I might do that for next week. And then I'm gonna put a green right next to it. Oh, I like that. I like the combination of the different color circles together. But I also like that when you put it down like that, it looks like it's painted on the page. Ooh, love that. I'm gonna put a red one down here. And then this circle with the yellow leaf. And I'm kind of sad that I'm already seeing leaves change color. Kind of sad about that, but hey, what can you do? All right, so that's what I'm going to put down for now. And they're moving chairs upstairs, of course they are. So I'm going to use my Le Bon Tarocco. This currently has Le Bon Demeter in it, and this is just a brown, so as neutral as I can get it. So whoop, I am going to put my sleep schedule over here. I didn't fill out my sleep schedule at all last week, so sleep. There are some weeks where I'm really good about filling this out, and then other weeks I have to backfill, and that's okay. Monday, there we go. And the reason that I keep track of this in here is for me being aware of my sleeping patterns. Oh my gosh, Lucy's barking now. Being aware of my sleeping patterns is one way that I can make sure I get better sleep overall. And I noticed that the week leading up to a vacation, my sleep is not great, but then I'm also a lot more anxious about things happening, so on and so forth. Okay, then what I'm going to do is use my fountain pen once again and write in the word meals down at the bottom. And these trackers, like my sleep, my workout, and my meals, I place them here and I don't use them 100% of the time. Why is Lucy barking? Lucy's barking at the TV. She's watching a movie with my husband. Anyway, but I keep these trackers here, even though I don't always use them 100% of the time. The fact that they are still here alerts me to that, you know, I should use them, but I'm also of the mindset of if I don't use them, it's okay. So, where are we? Work. Putting down my work schedule for the day. Although Tuesday is going to be a weird one because, there we go. And then I have to leave again to pick up Henry. And then that's such a weird day. So I do have to drop off Henry at his first day of school, but I'll fill it in after. And then Wednesday is another weird one because I have to leave at about 1 for an appointment, and then I'm back to work by about 4. Thursday is normal. Okay, but then I have to pick up Henry from school. Yeah, I had a major brain fart. I thought I had filled out all of the school bus applications for both my kids and realized I only did it for one of them and not both. So for the next 2 weeks, my husband will drop off Henry. I will pick up Henry from school. Yada, yada, yada. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna put down blotting paper here so that I don't smudge anything, especially with the fountain pen ink. I love blotting paper. So, Monday. Oh my gosh, you know what I haven't done? I haven't done meal planning and ordering groceries, which I will probably do on the Tuesday. I have such a huge, I say a huge, to-do list of things to do here, but I won't add that right now. What I think I'm gonna do here is actually, I'll do the to-do list here because Monday, holiday. So I'll do meal planning and order groceries. And then my husband will put out all the bins. And I need a cute emoji sticker or a cute icon sticker. Woo! They just fell out. One left. It's amazing that I've used all of these already. It's crazy. Wednesday. Oh, and then I have to write here, pick up Robin, because they're having staggered entry. And then here, pick up Henry. And I will probably have to go to the post office too. And then on Wednesday, appointment. Okay, and then Thursday, pick up groceries. And I'm going to put down a cute little grocery bag icon right here. And let's see, my other mini icons are all in here, and I know I have a clock. Whoops, sorry for shaking. Yeah, I have a clock one here from Paper Bits Co. So actually place that here. Then Friday, Lucy has a grooming appointment at Hollywood. Yes, that is the cutest name. So let's just do this at 9. Lucy at Hollywood. Then I have a nail appointment because gosh, these need doing. Although I find these like too big. So that'll do. Pen. 10 o'clock. Shellac at Brights. And then use this clock one again. Whoa, whoa. For 11:40. Yeah, Friday is busy. And then I will be doing some filming that afternoon, but I will leave that up for now. Saturday, nothing, because the kids don't have swimming anymore, so no plans on the Saturday, except big family dinner. Here we go, because we're meeting my brother's girlfriends and parents. So the two families are meeting. Meet the parents, not my parents, but yeah, it's a big event. Meet the parents. And then Sunday is clean, or I could do cleaning that day actually. Why don't I do cleaning that? Well, it's just the bathrooms. Or I could fold laundry that day. Yeah, but I also have new releases coming out on the Friday, so I will be busy. I will fold laundry that evening and then clean the bathrooms Saturday morning. So try to get them done. Yeah, clean bathrooms. And then I'll actually leave folding laundry for Sunday evening. Something a little bit, I guess, relaxing for Sunday night. And there we go. So leave it for Sunday night. Fold laundry. Alrighty. Fold laundry. Oh, very important. Ninja. Totally forgot Ninja. I only have 2 more of these, but I have a whole other set of stickers that were sent to me as well, which I'm so excited about. There. Each at Ninja. Perfect. All right. I'm not going to fill this in right now because anyway, but let me just clean up. All right, so that is it for me. I think that's the week pretty much filled out. I really like the way that these leaves look in here. They do look like they've been painted in, and I love that effect. All right, once again, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are interested in these stickers, they will be released on Friday, September 8th at 9 a.m. Mountain Time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.